Alright, y'all. I'm about to go style for Supa Peach. Here's the beginning of everything. Y'all ready? I'm not gonna look too much at the camera because of course I'm driving. I'm not nervous or anything. Everything is pretty much packed. If I'm leaving something, too bad, too sad. You know, I gotta just pretty much figure it out. But I try to prepare early as possible so I won't forget. But next time, what I'm gonna do, and I think y'all should do too, if you're trying to be a stylist, designer, whatever, is just create an actual list and check that off before you leave out the door. When you begin to style and design for people, you may not always have a chair, a closet, hangers, or anything. So make sure you always have the backdrop so that you can place on their bed or on a table, and that way you can put your pieces out so that they can see them on display. But they are different colors.
I still got other outfits though, so that's, you won't go bad.
Okay, so you still working with these main?
Yeah, we're gonna see.
You got the black bra?
I don't got a black bra, but I got a leopard print.
I just spoke to Peach's manager. Now we have an idea of what needs to be put out, so I am putting out more pieces so that she can have options. When Peach walks in a room, she'll be able to choose from these things that I've have sorted out for her. Anyways, I'm about to go eat. Let's go.
Nothing in here but some buttermilk, some crispy chicken buttermilks, you know, biscuits.
Alright, we about to go ahead and eat.
Yeah, we hungry.
And we'll see y'all in a few.
Really, what you want to wear first?
You think I should wear this?
I think that's hot.
It's hot too. I don't know.
But this one, okay, I know they can't shoot the back because I don't want your butt to be showing.
If I put on some pants, you can.
Some little shorts.
Yeah, you can.
This would be a dope look.
Mama! Hold on, let me go get her. Mom, which one should I wear? I don't even know. Mom, which should I
Alright, so we about to do the first little fitting or whatever. She said she like both. She like this one, but I didn't bring any shorts for this.
Okay.
So we'll see. As a stylist, your job is to help them put it on, and it's also your job to help them take it off. She's in her first look. We're about to go behind the scenes and check out everything else though. Right here you have the stylist, hairstylist, makeup artist. In the background you have her other manager working on the other people that's going to be in the video as extras. Depending on what I'm dressing, who I'm dressing, I have different looks. She is a really good dancer, so things on her can be loose, just like that arm right there that you see. She hit so many dance moves that it'll be a good look for the video. If you have time, I would suggest to try on other looks, even if y'all have tried on the actual looks for the pieces, because you never know, they may need another look just for a photo shoot, or they may be really feeling that look and they may be able to use it not this time but another time. I know you got it on wrong, I guess, because it's supposed to be a little bit, you know, supposed to turn. Unless it needs to go down a little bit more. I can see that. We said I left the other sock, but one sock or two. Do he need to go back into the house and grab it?
Y'all live far from me?
You talking?
So do two, because he can go right now. 20. So this is why to have a checklist is so important, because what I just did is leave the other sock to the look. But if I had my checklist off, I would have had 2 socks on the list. And that way I wouldn't have left it behind.
That's cute. Okay. I said I like the shorts.
I told you that one looked better in person.
But she don't got no arms. But I still ain't shot. You know what's...
Ace about to go get the other sock.
Come on. Yeah. What's up? Okay. What's up? Green. Ass. Ass.
brother just dropped off my daughter to me. Say hey. Alright, y'all. We about to head to the location. Alright, y'all. Yo, so we about to head to the next location. I just styled Peach for one location, for one scene. So, you know, when you're doing a music video, your people usually have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 locations. And we only going to the first one. This one outfit. She liked most of the looks. One just didn't compliment the scene. So we're just about to go. I'm about to put her in the car seat, let y'all see how much of a struggle it is to put this little chicken noodle in the car seat. I'm actually about to put her in, but I'm gonna take her right back out because I noticed nobody has left. So you'll see that transition. I don't want to be the first one at the scene. The items have been already placed on her, so there's no point in me just sitting at the scene. I'd rather sit here and maybe even follow along just in case something happened. You never know. I'm actually about to go and look for the location real quick because I didn't even type that in yet. But she don't like to be in that car seat all day, so. Okay, we about to pull off. We about to pull off. She good back here. Okay, we all driving. She done passed out. Alright, we at the next location, y'all. Right now, we're just waiting for all the props to be put in place. It's not always necessary to stay at the scene for the video, but I choose to do so just in case you want to get your own pictures, just in case your client needs to be styled again. Any damage done you can see visibly, or you can help out on the wardrobe malfunction. So I choose to stick around. You always want to network. You always want to bring your business cards. You never know who you're going to meet.
I have to have short hair somewhere. But the world likes short and long hair. I gotta have short hair somewhere. But everybody's still on line. Okay, cut. Good job. All right, now we can get out and do this. Fake asshole. Stay in the camera.
Yeah. They mad for a reason.
So your job as a stylist is to, as soon as they're done with that clip, if they take him back, you go and fix up your client, even if it's the background dancers as well, to overachieve in your job. If you see something wrong on them, you go and fix that too.
I need to get something to eat. I'm hungry.
So this silver jacket is one of my pieces that's well known. She's seen it in my bag and she wanted to put it in with it. So I allowed her to do that. I know many of you guys want to know what it's like working with these artists. Supa Peach in particular is a very good artist. She's driven. Look at her energy. She's a good dancer. She's multi-talented. It's literally nothing that she cannot do. And she does everything with full blown out confidence. And she is so young doing it big in the industry. It's a lot of things that you can fake. You can fake energy, but you cannot fake talent. I'm just have nothing on the feedback because, like, literally, I am drained, you guys. So, I don't know what y'all want me to tell you guys. I just want y'all to go see the video. I'm going to tag the video link once there's an actual video link to it. And, you know, tell me if y'all like these videos. What other videos y'all want, styling. If y'all want me to show y'all the styling kit or designer kit or how I think of my outfit or what you should do as a stylist, whatever you want, y'all just drop some comments below. If y'all want to support me and get my jacket or whatever, I will provide the link to my jacket. IS, my brand, Immutable, stands for Immutable Shape, and how you pronounce my name is Robrice. So if y'all just want to support me doing what I do, y'all just, you know, click that link and buy it. It always helps. Every coin, every penny, every dime, every nickel. Spend it. Send it to me. Bills. Y'all, I don't even know why I'm making these videos right now. I just feel like anything that I do that contributes to what I'm trying to do, which is the fashion or whatever, I feel like it'll have its place, even if I don't know the placement of it right now. That's why I just continue to do what I do, even if sometimes I just don't have a clue or whatever. But I'm about to get my daughter out the car, and we're gonna go inside. I know she's had a long day, so I'm gonna take a shower. She's asleep right now, but I'm gonna give her a bath because we've been outside and it's hot. It's Atlanta, my nigga. It's not a game. I don't care what LA got going on, whatever state got on. Atlanta, get it together. God, what we're doing. He knew I was gonna live here, and he still did it. That's between me and him. Up in the sky, up in the trees. I ain't gonna dish like that. All right, but it's hot. It's hot. Hot. Alright, y'all. Okay, let me check and see what she's doing. Oh, if y'all want the jumpsuit too, y'all can have a jumpsuit. Y'all know this is the mommy jumpsuit. The jumpsuit got the boobies out so you can breastfeed, but it's not really out. Nobody will notice it except for you and your breast sucking child. Don't feel offended. Don't feel offended. I'm a mama. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I played the same role. I said I was about to go change, and here I am still talking to you guys. That's how you can tell I don't really have any friends. Not saying that I need them. Not saying that I don't want them either, but you don't see my problem. I'm talking to a camera. Okay. Alright, y'all, I gotta get her out. My brother is no longer here, so I can't be doing multitasking with this phone. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Bye.